This video will show you how to dictate and send files to a Curo via the Philips SpeechLive app. First, open the SpeechLive app on your phone, tap the red plus icon, tap Add a Title, type in any information you'd like to signify who or what the dictation is about. This will be the name of your document you receive back from a Curo. Tap the record button and start dictating. You can pause, listen back to your dictation, insert more dictation, or carry on dictating. When you finish your dictation, hit the pause button. Tap the tick icon, which will allow you to delete, send via email, send to a transcriber, or save as a draft to come back to later. To send to a Curo, tap Send to Transcriptionist. You will then go back to your dashboard, and tapping on Sent, you will see the dictation you've just made. You will then be able to receive your completed document within the Curo portal.